can have a master's degree in communication, but if you're communicating with someone who doesn't want to listen, there's nothing you can say or do. But if that's not the case, if you have trouble expressing yourself when you're upset, here are a few tips that I want you to try. First is lead with what you're feeling, not what they did. You're going to want to say, well, you did this and you did that and this. Nope. So instead of, oh, you never listened to me, refrain from that as much as you're going to want to say that. And instead stick with, I'm feeling fill in the blank, frustrated, ignored, unappreciated. When you do this, you're communicating to the other person who wants to listen, keyword. You're sharing your experience. You're not attacking what they have done. And this actually leaves room for listening. The second is to use the 30 to 60 minute rule. Take a beat, take a pause, take a break. When you take a break, you're going to want to include some self-soothing, some grounding techniques to get your central nervous system back in line, so to speak, so that you're not speaking out of heightened emotion. Next, and this is really important, when you come back to have this conversation, be specific. Don't be vague. Oh, you don't care about me anymore. You don't. Instead, well, when you were checking your phone while I was trying to have an important conversation with you, that really made me feel dismissed, unheard. Being very clear and specific, but still stating your frustrations. I got 2 more for you. Next, I want you to state and share what you want, not just what you don't like. So I don't like that you did this. Okay, share that. However, also share what you would like in the future. So we'll take the example I started with earlier. In the future, if you would refrain from checking your phone or looking distracted while I'm speaking to you about something that's important to me, that would be more beneficial. That would be helpful in helping me know you're with me, you're listening, I'm important to you. Okay, last tip. It's the best tip, but it's the most gut-wrenching one. Don't speak on their intent. Speak on their actions. Speak on their impact. Instead of saying, oh, you're just trying to hurt me, you never love me, you don't care about me. Fill in the blanks. I'm sure you can. Instead of attacking their intent, what has actually transpired? Stick with that. And that's going to be so difficult for several reasons, I'm sure. Assuming the worst is only going to add fuel to the fire. And that's probably going to be the most difficult tip to integrate for most of us.